Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix not receiving phone calls issue on iPhone in iOS 17. So guys, many iOS 17 users are complaining about that they are facing an issue of not receiving phone calls, that they cannot receive phone calls on their iPhone after updating to the latest version of iOS 17. So guys, if you're one of them and looking for a fix, so you are in a right video. In this video, I will tell you how to fix not receiving phone calls issue on iPhone in iOS 17. So guys, first you have to do is check do not disturb mode. Make sure that do not disturb mode is not enabled on your iPhone. This mode can block incoming calls. You can check this by going to your control center and you can see your option do not disturb mode. If it's enabled, then you have to disable it. After this, then you have to do is check call forwarding. Verify that call forwarding is not set up, as it might redirect calls to another number. After this, then you have to do is check aeroplane mode. Ensure that your iPhone is not in aeroplane mode, as this disable all wireless communication, including phone calls. Swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to access control center and make sure aeroplane mode is off. After checking these three steps, then you have to do is restart your iPhone. A simple restart can often resolve temporary issues. So you have to open your settings, tap on General, scroll down and then tap on Shutdown. Shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. After restarting, then you have to do is update your iOS version. Ensure that your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS 17. Software update may include bug fixes that address core related issues. So you have to open your software update and check if there is any available update for your iPhone. If there is, then simply update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS 17. After trying this all step and you're still facing the issue, then I will suggest you to do reset your network settings. This will reset your Wi-Fi password and other net-related settings. You will need to re-enter your Wi-Fi password afterward. To do this, you have to go to your general, scroll down and then tap on transfer reset iPhone. Tap on reset network settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, if this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.